Google or Gmail is not going to protect you from sending an email that you shouldn't ought to send. But I'll show you a process that's really easy to use that can help you make sure you don't make a ridiculous mistake sending the wrong email. Watch this. I'm going to hit compose. I'll make this big so you can see me doing it. I'm going to come down here and put a subject line. Let me type this out. So I've written this long-winded email, and then I wrote it and I hit send. But look what I didn't do. I did not say who to send it to. I wrote the email first, and then I hit send, and it errors out and says, I need one recipient. Now here's my point. When you're going to write an email message that you think that you want to send, but you're not 100% sure, do not put the email address in the recipient box. Leave it blank. Write your email and then read your email and then think about, is that what I want to send? Yes or no. If the answer is you want to send that, hit the send button. You'll get that error, and then you'll realize you need to say who I'm going to send it to. And then you can move your mouse, your cursor, whatever, down to the send button slowly. And before you hit that send button, you stop and you ask yourself again, do I want to send that? Yes or no? Yes, hit the send button. No, we'll move your mouse all the way over here and hit the delete button. Look, I get it. Google can't help you, prevent you from making big mistakes, but you can prevent yourself from making big mistakes by not putting the email address in until after you write it, you read it, and you ask yourself, should I or should I not? Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, I hope this is helpful for you.